Hello, hello.
Hi.
Hi, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Okay, so how are you?
Good, and you?
Okay, alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Thank you. So today we will start our first day online training session, and I hope
Okay.
you are easily learn all of the details in Google Earth Engine platform. And when you want to learn all of the things easily, then you can easily improve any algorithm using this Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so today is our first day. Okay, so I simply share my screen. Okay, so can you see my screen now?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, so I simply start the recording. You can also get the recorded video class with translate Arabic subtitle, so that's why I can also try to easily understand.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, okay, so hi and welcome to the 7 days online training session on Google Earth Engine platform for beginners to advanced level. So this is our course. I will take the class 7 days, and every days I will give you the 2 hours online training program and 1 hours for your practice class. I also give you some assignment or homework, so you can also practice this work. And when you face any problem, then we also try to discuss about this problem for our next 1 hour. So basically, this is the total 7 days online training program, and I will give you the 2 hours live training session and 1 hours for your problem solving class. Okay, so I am course coordinator. My name is Mijinur Rahman. So So first of all, do you have any experience with using the Google Earth Engine platform before? Do you use this platform before?
Yes,
Okay. So I
quite
hope
simple.
you are already registered with the Google Earth Engine account. Yeah. You already completed
Yes.
your okay. And do you have any experience with any programming language such as JavaScript, Python?
ArcGIS, Python,
Okay.
maybe remote sensing, air gas.
Okay. Okay, so basically in this online training session, I will focus only for the beginners who don't have any programming language or who don't have any remote sensing work before and who don't have any knowledge about the Google Earth Engine platform. I will focus only for this person. So I hope after completing the total 7 days online training program, you are able to do any remote sensing analysis using the Google Earth Engine platform, and you can easily do it very quickly and efficiently. I give you all of the practice code, all of the materials, all of the video recorded session. When you practice and you can get any problem, then you can also get the lifetime solution from me. I hope you can easily learn all the things using the Google Earth Engine platform, and you can easily develop your own algorithm and to do any remote sensing analysis using the platform. So basically today is our first day, and first day course content will be that I mainly today discuss about the introduction to Google Earth Engine platform. I also try to discuss about the basic principle of JavaScript syntax. So as a beginners, if you are don't know the Google programming language, you are able to easily learn this programming language from this online training session. JavaScript programming language, you are able to easily learn all of the things. Then I also try to discuss about the client and server side language. I also try to discuss about that how you can get the server to execute your code, and then how you can easily importing the raster and vector data from your local storage, and filtering the attribute table, how you can easily filter the attribute table. I also try to discuss about the band combination, suppose how you can easily make the different types of band combination, false color, true color, or other band combination I can easily create using the Google Earth Engine platform, and how you can easily filter, import, reduce, clip, and display the data on Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so first of all, introduction to Google Earth Engine platform. So in this time, I will try to discuss about the what is Google Earth Engine, then what the application of Google Earth Engine platform, and how does the work, and then what's the advantage of using the Google Earth Engine platform, and how you can start this tool. So first of all, what is GEE? So mainly GEE is the short form of Google Earth Engine platform, and Google Earth Engine is a totally cloud-based platform. So it's a cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis. It is a unique platform where you can do for any remote sensing analysis very quickly and efficiently than other software, ArcMap or QGIS. Okay, so it's a very fast work, and it is a totally cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis. Using this platform, you can access over 40 years of satellite imagery. It can be Landsat, Sentinel, MODIS, all of the satellite imagery you can easily access from the Google Earth Engine platform. And if you have own dataset, you can easily upload this dataset in Google Earth Engine platform, and you can easily work with this. You can easily apply the different types of algorithm to your data, and you can easily get the result from this. And finally, you can easily export this map as a TIFF format. You can easily get the table. You can easily get the chart or output. You can easily get from the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so this is the Google Earth Engine platform, and application. It has a lot of application using the Google Earth Engine platform. So mainly we can do any remote sensing analysis. We can do any remote sensing analysis using this platform very quickly and efficiently. And so here I mentioned some application you can see. So mainly we can use this Google Earth Engine platform for detecting the deforestation. You can easily detecting the deforestation using this platform. You can also do for the classifying the land use and land cover, easily make using this platform for the big region. You can also do for the estimating the forest, biomass and carbon. You can also do for the mapping the world's roadless areas. You can also do for the assessment of plant health status using this platform. You can also do for the air quality monitoring. You can also do for the water quality monitoring. You can also do for the flood mapping and damage assessment. You can also do for the drought monitoring using this platform. You can also do for the burn severity mapping and so on application. You can easily do it using this platform. You can also do for the land surface temperature monitoring or LST monitoring easily using this platform. So mainly we can use this Google Earth Engine platform for doing any remote sensing analysis. We can do it very quickly and efficiently than other software, ArcMap or QGIS software. And it also focused on society's biggest challenges. So mainly deforestation. It mainly focused on the deforestation. It also focused the drought monitoring. It also focused the climate change. It also focused the disaster, also diseases, also global food security and sustainability development. Mainly it focused on Google Earth Engine. In this time, why this is important? So mainly Google Earth Engine is reduce your time to the analysis. In this time, when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you can easily get a lot of data set and make your geospatial analysis. Suppose you want to make the land cover classification map for the whole country boundary of Saudi Arab. You want to make the land cover classification map. When you want to this making the land cover classification using the ArcMap software or QGIS software, you have to lot of process you want to need. First of all, you need to download the satellite image from USGS website or Earth Explorer. Then you also need to composite all of the images, and lot of process you want to need when you want to use the ArcMap software. But when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform for making the full country boundary of Saudi Arab for making the land cover classification map, you can do it very quickly and efficiently. Within 1 minute, you can easily make the land cover classification map for the whole country boundary of Saudi Arab. Okay, so first of all, it reduces your time to the analysis. Okay, so using the Google Earth Engine platform, it reduces time to the analysis, and you can easily access petabytes of data using this platform. And it has some new feature. Okay, so Google Earth Engine has also some new feature. When you want to use this feature, it's automatically remove all of the cloud and haze from your satellite images. Okay, so it's automatically remove all of the cloud and haze from your satellite images, and you can get the very clear condition of satellite images using this platform. And it is a platform. Using this platform, you are easily collaboration and standardization by creating a common platform for global data analysis. You can easily do for global data analysis using this platform, and you can easily make the different types of web application using this platform. It can be a different, you can use any, create any web application. Okay, so this is the another opportunity for making the web application using the Google Earth Engine platform. So that's why all of the region, Google Earth Engine is a best platform for doing the remote sensing analysis and also make the web application. In this time, it has also some advantage as well as some disadvantage. Is that you can see this advantage is that you don't need to download any satellite imagery. When you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any satellite imagery or any local storage of imagery. Okay, you can access petabytes of data or more on the way, and its computing power is very fast. Its computing power is the very fast analysis you can easily do. Okay, and it has also some disadvantages that when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you need some programming knowledge. But in this time, I will give you all of the programming knowledge which you want to need for learn the Google Earth Engine platform. So I hope after completing the total 7 days online training session, you can easily learn all of the programming knowledge, and you can easily do for this remote sensing analysis. And it depends on your internet connection. So mainly when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you must be connect with your internet, and it primarily focus on raster based imagery, and it has a lack of mature and detailed documentation. But I will provide you all of the documentation as well as also all of the mature and detailed documentation I provide you, so that you can easily learn the Google Earth Engine platform and apply your knowledge with the Google Earth Engine platform for making the remote sensing analysis very quickly and efficiently. Okay, so mainly how does the work? So mainly Google Earth Engine has a web server. Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based server. So mainly when you want to write the custom of code, this code send a message. This code send a message to your specialized server. Okay, so mainly when you want to write some code, this code send a server for this server in a matter of seconds give you the response. So Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based platform, and it has its own server. When you write the code, this code send a message to the server, and in a matter of seconds, this server send you response. Okay, and its software type is the web processing or cloud computing. It is a web processing or cloud computing, so that's why you don't need to download any software or anything. You don't need to download. And this is the main website of earthengine.google.org, and accessibility is online. When you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you must be using the online system. And requirements, Google Earth Engine, when you want to use the Google Earth Engine code editor, you need to registration. So you already covered this part for completing your registration with Google Earth Engine account, and your computer system is the online and image processing and visualization. It works. It vector and raster data also covered. In this time, you can see how you can study this tool. So you already covered this part for registration. So in this time I just skip this part. So you already registered this. When you want to register this, you can simply check your Gmail. You can get the Gmail like this. Okay. So mainly when you can get the Gmail, it means that you are completely registration with the Google Earth Engine platform, and now we can easily use this Google Earth Engine code editor. So here you can see Earth Engine code editor. Okay, so here you can simply click on this Earth Engine code editor. It open a Earth Engine JavaScript API code editor. So I already covered the registration, so I simply go to this code editor for opening this code editor. So that's why I simply open this code editor. So I simply open this code editor in here. So okay, so I simply go to this link and see. When you can simply go to this link after completing your registration, you can easily code.earthengine.google.com. You can get this link, and this is your JavaScript API code editor. Okay, so mainly we can use this code editor for making our geospatial code. We can write the code in here and we can get the result. So in this time you can see we can easily I already registered with the Google Earth Engine account. So in this time I simply open my code editor, and in this time I will just some introduction about this code editor so that you can easily understand. So in this time you can see, okay, so just it's time there, the network is not so good. So this, you can see this is my code editor. In this code editor, here we can divide the code editor into the 4 part. First of all, you can see this is the left panel. Okay, also you can see this is the middle panel, then also you can see this is the right panel, and finally you can see this is the bottom panel. Okay, in this time you can see this is the middle panel, it's called the editor. Okay, so mainly you can see in this time you can write your code in this here. So mainly we can write our code, all of the code in this place. So it's called the editor panel. Okay, and also you can see this is the left panel. So mainly left panel has a 3 tab: inspector tab, console tab, and task tab. So inspector tab, mainly we can use the inspector tab for querying the map result. Okay, so mainly we can use the inspector tab for querying the map result. So mainly when I want to add some map in my map interactive view and click on this map, I can get the value of this map. Suppose I want to add here the NDVI map. Okay, and when I want to click here, it will be provide me this NDVI value. Okay, so in this time when I click to here, you can see I can get the result like this: longitude, latitude, zoom level, and scale for this place. I want to get this. When I click to here, I can get the longitude, latitude, zoom level default. Okay, so inspector tab is mainly work for map querying result. It will be query some result. Okay, then console tab. So mainly console tab is used for printing your output. Suppose I want to print something. Suppose I want to use here the print, and then use here the hello world, and then click to the run. You can see run button. So run button, when you want to execute your code, then you can simply click on the run. You can see it will be showing the hello world. Okay, so mainly console tab is working for printing your output. Okay, also you can see task tab. So task tab is mainly work for the long running tasks. Suppose you want to add some import or export something. You want to import or export. You want to import the shape file. You want to import the TIFF image. You want to export the shape file. Anything when you want to import, then this task tab will be running. Okay. So when this task tab will be running, you can see I already export some TIFF file or CSV file. I already import. So I also try to show you the later how you can easily export or import. Okay, also you can see this is another tab. It's called the left panel. Okay, left panel, here you can see script tab, docs tab, and asset tab. So mainly script tab is store your all of the script which I already work. You can see here I already work the different types of script and I save it under the script tab. So I simply click on any script tab, suppose animation and DVI. I simply click to here. Now you can see this code will be added in my code editor. You can see this code is the added. So mainly script tab is managing your all of the saved script. Okay, so this script I already saved under the script tab. Okay, docs tab. So mainly we can get the all of the documentation, all of the all of the function I want to get under the docs tab. So docs tab is your friend. When you face any problem, you can get the solution from the docs tab, and you can get all of the function description, all of the function argument from this here. Suppose you can see this is the function ee.date. So this is the function. You can see what is the function. Mainly this function constructs a new date. Okay, so when you want to create a date, then you can simply use this function, and this argument you can see date. Okay, so mainly I can get all of the documentation. I can get all of the documentation from the docs tab. Okay, also you can see asset tab. So mainly asset tab is managing your asset which you upload. Okay, so here you can see I already upload different types of shapefile, then tip images I already uploaded in here. I also try to show you that later how you can easily upload your own shapefile or raster image. Okay, in this time also you can see the another button, get link button. So when I simply click on the get link, you can see it generate a link. Okay, so this link generate. When I click to here, you can see click to the copy link. I simply click to here, then this link is copied, and when I simply share this link with you, then you can easily access this code. Which code you can see here, you can easily access this code. Okay, then save button. So this code I already saved. This code name I already saved this code name as a animation NDVI. Okay, so I already saved this code, so that's why it will look like this. And when I run this, I can get the result. You can see like this in the console tab. It provide me the animation of the NDVI. You can see for the Bangladesh between the time period. I want to get this animation NDVI year of 2019 from 2020. I want to get this animation of the NDVI. I can easily identify between this time period when the NDVI is the high and low for this animation. It's represented the animation of normalized difference vegetation index. Okay, so you can see this is the animation when this NDVI is the high and when this NDVI is the low. We can easily identify from this animation between this time period. Okay, so mainly you can see this is the code. Okay, if I want to share this code with you, I can simply click to the get link button and then simply copy this link, and then I simply click send you this link. You can simply share access this code and also get the output. Okay, also you can see this is a reset button. When I want to click the reset button, then it will be clear my map, console tab or other things. It will be clear. I simply click the reset button. You can see it will be clear. Okay, and also you can see apps button. So mainly when I want to develop any web application, when I want to develop any web application using the Google Earth Engine platform, then this application will be added with in my apps tab. So in this time I can simply go to my gallery. So because this gallery has already I added some web application. So you can see, so mainly you can see this is the web application for the drought monitoring. So mainly we can use this web application for identify the drought. Okay, also you can see this is the drought monitoring using the SBI index for Bangladesh. Also you can see another Bangladesh trend value for NDVI VI. I simply open the same application. You can see chart NDVI over time of Bangladesh. Also another app for the leaf area index time series of Bangladesh. You can see the land use land cover classification of Bangladesh. Also